Allah. My name is Fatima Rajabi, and they are my student. I teach the Dari and English basic. So we started this academy since 2023, and with Nargis. So they study free without any cost because they cannot continue their education in Afghanistan. So that's why I want to teach them free, and they don't have any cost. The first reason is because they are women and girls. You know that very well that the Afghanistan Taliban don't let to women and girls continue their education, and that's why they will be refugee, and they study here. And I have 30 students. Their age is from 10 to 60. I don't want the women and girls because I want to get the women and girls like another country. Why in Afghanistan women and girls cannot continue their education and study? That's why I want to teach them. They will be improved, and also I teach them English and the Persian. So this I want to open let the women to continue their education, and also I want that the men respect the women, and also say them that continue. Also, if they cannot continue their education in Afghanistan, they will come in another country and continue their education. And say, I say for them that don't start your study and continue your education. While if you want, you can study at home, or you can search the YouTube. And YouTube, we have a lot of teachers that they teach now. We can find it. Continue your education. Don't stop your education. It's very hard. It's very hard, and it's very bad. It have very some. It make us so sad. So we should try. We should try to study.
Hello everyone, my name is Azaad. I'm the first medalist from Afghanistan in 2013 from South Korea, and the first international judge from Thailand World Championship of Muay Thai in 2016. And then also in Afghanistan, in my previous life, when I was in Afghanistan, I had many achievements. After the Taliban captured Afghanistan, unfortunately, I have to came out of Afghanistan because everything was stopped for Afghan women and girls, like education, like sport, giving or having the job, like these things. So I decided to come in. After some months, I say to myself that I have to do something for Afghan refugee because I know one skill. It was my Muay Thai. It's my favorite sport that I'm doing this. That's why I made a small club for my students. At the first time, my students were 2 or 3. Then after some months, it's now around the 20s or 30s. And this because I understand that all Afghan refugees, they have so many challenges in Pakistan as a refugee, like legal documents, everything, education. Because the first things I think that all refugees are facing with that is the financial problems. Because everything, when you have money, you can grow, you can pass your day in your life. But all these programs that I have, like class we have, swing class we have, English classes. We have Muay Thai session that I'm the trainer, and also the fitness time, and also the miniature class that is my sister. All these activities that we have in this academy is free of cost for Afghan refugees, for women and girls. Why I did this for women and girls? Because Taliban stopped everything for them. Want to be their voice to add all the word that please help the Afghan refugees. They are not in a good situation in Pakistan. They are facing with many problems, and I request from the youth embassies and also those in UNHCR and also those organizations that are working for Afghan refugees. Please help them, because Afghan refugees, they are powerful, and there is talented people, and I think it's a good way that we help to improve the Afghan women and young girls. So these days also the situation is very hard, and everything they cannot even go outside without any mahram. So it is very difficult situation. But I'm so happy that I made this community or this environment for Afghan refugees here. So I'm thankful about Pakistan, because Pakistan is our neighborhood country that is so near. And also these Afghan refugees that they are in Pakistan, most of them they have their cases. They are coming here because they want to process their cases, and also because of so hard situation in Afghanistan they are coming. That's why I'm so thankful from government of Pakistan, because UNICEF also they are helping us like some session, they are providing some sessions here, and also the other organization that also they are working with the refugees, like Sharp Office, Society for Human Rights and Prisoner Aids. They are also working and helping our academy.
Okay. How old students are learning?
Yeah, for this academy is there is no age mentioned, because those girls that stop everything in Afghanistan, and I think they were in a 6th grade in Afghanistan. They can come here, they can join here, and we have many different activities or programs here. They can join with us.
In the name of Allah, my name is Zohra Jafari. We are coming in Pakistan because Taliban is close the school and gym and because we are coming in Pakistan. In Pakistan, we cannot learn study school and another thing, because we have no money and visa Shnakhte card, and also cannot speak Urdu. And we want another country, and first we go another country because we have not anything for. It's a lot of students in here. We are very happy. We are learning computer, English, and Muay Thai, and another thing. Yes, I want to go in another country because we can. We want in hope, another thing we can. Yes.